back to my channel, Delightful_Dawn. Today we're going to do a get ready with me, and it's going to be called James Charles Casting Call. You were like, Dawn, why are you doing this? Because Dawn wanted to. Alright, so just keep on coming in. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, and comment below. Join the family if you want to. And if you don't, you know what? Just come back if you just feel a vibe to come back, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, I put a clip in my hair so I could, make sure it's not flopping in my face. I already primed and I did my eyebrows. Now I'm going to put on some foundation and put on the light, little eye look, okay? My name is Dawn. I'm originally from St. Louis, Missouri, and I currently reside in Texas. Yes, Texas-tito, okay? I'm in the big old Texas. My current age, I am 28 years young. You're probably like, girl, are you? Yes, I am 28 years young. I recently got into makeup over the last, I would say, year. What really encouraged me to kind of like do makeup on YouTube, and even like I was doing makeup off, was my little sister. Shout out to the young people. That's why I can't really even, like, people like, well, you're James Charles Young, like how can you feel inspired by other people that are younger than you? And sometimes, like my sister, she is about to be 20, she's 19, but a lot of the times it would be some stuff I would have never would have thought of if it wasn't for her idea of just embrace him. Because back in the day, I'm a little bit older, like it just wasn't embraced the same to be so into makeup in like high school and stuff like that, or even in college. For us, like you had to be like a certain person to wear it, which I think that's what like the beauty of makeup is for real. Like it's no category. It's like, it's not a one size fit all, but it's like all can fit in whatever category that you want for yourself. And so that's like, I always love like coming across new YouTube channels, and that's what kind of made me decide to have a channel for myself. Because one thing is that everybody doesn't know everything about makeup, and that's something that RTT Rihanna kind of taught us as well. Like she was like, there's no rules. You kind of just not fit in where you get in, but you put your stamp on where you want to be in this industry, just in this world in general. And for that, like, I can be nothing but grateful. So I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world type color of a pink, to put that on my lids. I think one of the wonderful things about makeup is that there's no particular way to do it. Sometimes when you're on the go, you just want a quick, like, kind of like, okay, I tried look. Just sweep. I've seen TT Jackie do this. Just sweep like a color on. Then once it's on there, blend that baby out. So I added on just a little bit of that green like shadow in the James Charles palette with like a little pink and a little highlight color that he has in there as well. And then use my good old glow and Makeup Revolution Patricia Pride palette for my cheeks for the little bitty rosiness, and then I called it a day. So thank you for watching my video so far. I really do appreciate it. Any type of comments or suggestions that you have for me just to constantly grow and develop as a YouTuber, I gladly appreciate it over here. Like, go ahead and put it down below. What would you like to see? In addition, yes you, I want to tell you something. I want you to stay unapologetically you in all that you do, because that is the only true way to live in these streets now these days. And that's something that I try to live by every day. And you know what? The thing that some people think is that it's easy just to have confidence, or it's easy just to be this ball of light. But sometimes they just don't know. Like, you have to psych yourself up mentally to be the person that you want to be, especially if you demand that respect from other people. But with that being said, I want you to enjoy the rest of your day, your weekend, your week. And until next time, stay unapologetically you in all that you do.